Hi, hello, good morning children. I am Vijayalakshmi from Tiny Tots Group of Schools. I am teaching social studies for second class students. Hi kids, how are you? This is the rainy season and it's raining outside. So you have to take care of your health. Don't go out. Don't stay on the roads. It is a very harmful to your health. Nowadays, this is the season of corona disease. If we get a cold, cough, or fever, we have to feel fear of corona. So you don't go outside and don't play in the water. Take care of your health and stay in your home only, children. And we are in the lesson number 7, recreation. I told you in 3 sessions what is meant by recreation, what can we do for our recreation, what are the recreational activities, what is the use of recreation like that, and what are the places to enjoy and to go for our recreation. I explained. Now I am going to explain the blanks and bits and hearts in this lesson. Bits and hearts in this lesson. Before going to this session, blanks and hearts, I want to tell you one thing, children. Yesterday, the greatest singer, the famous singer of Telugu language, Mr. S.P. Balasubramaniam sir, died in Chennai. He is the famous singer. Balasubramaniam garu chanipoyaramma. ఆయన చాలా పెద్ద గాయకుడు, బాగా పాటలు పాడతాడు. తెలుగు పాటలు 13 భాషల్లో పాటలు పాడాడు. మన భారతదేశంలో ఉన్న 13 భాషల్లో పాటలు పాడాడు. We have 29 states. In the 29 states, nearly so many languages are there. Nearly 22 official languages are there. In that, he has sung in 13 languages. 13 లాంగ్వేజ్లో పాటలు పాడాడు. దక్షిణ భారతదేశంలోని చాలా రాష్ట్రాల్లో చాలా రకాల భాషల్లో ఆయన పాటలు పాడాడు. ఎన్నో ఫేమస్ పాటలు అన్నమయ్య సినిమాలో జో అచ్యుతానంలో జోజో ముకుందా అన్న, చిరంజీవి సినిమాలో చాలా పాటలు ఉన్నాయి కదా. నేను సైతం ప్రపంచానికి ఆ పాట, అట్లా చాలా ఫేమస్ పాటలు. రామారావు, నాగేశ్వరరావు, చిరంజీవి, జూనియర్ ఎన్టీఆర్, మహేష్ బాబు, ఇలా చాలామంది ఫేమస్ హీరోస్కి తన పాటలు పాడి మన యావత్ భారతదేశాన్ని సంగీత ప్రపంచంలో సంగీతం అని ఉయ్యాల్లో కూర్చోబెట్టి ఆనందంగా ఊపాడు. ఆయన చనిపోయాడు. ఆయనకి మనం మన గౌరవాన్ని అందించాల్సిన బాధ్యత ఎంతైనా ఉంది. మీరందరూ చక్కగా ఇలా లేచి నిలబడి ఇలా కళ్ళు మూసుకొని ఆయన ఆత్మ శాంతించాలని ప్రార్థించండి. లెట్ హిజ్ సోల్ లివ్ ఇన్ పీస్ అండ్ రెస్ట్. దేవుడు ఇంత మంచోడు భూమి మీద ఉంటే అలాగా నా దగ్గరకు తెచ్చుకుందామని చెప్పేసి ఒక పూల రథాన్ని పంపించి స్వర్గం నుంచి నా దగ్గర పాటలు పాడురా అని తీసుకెళ్ళిపోయాడు మేబీ. సో ఆయన ఆత్మశాంతి కలగాలని మనం మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ప్రార్థిద్దాం. 40,000కు పైగా పాటలు పాడాడు. అన్ని రకాల భాషలు. 76 సంవత్సరాలు ఆయన. కాబట్టి ఇంత పెద్ద వయసులో కూడా కూర్చోకుండా కష్టపడి ఏదో చెయ్యాలి, ప్రజల కోసం ఏదో చేయాలి, భగవంతుడు ఇచ్చిన గొంతుని ప్రజలకందరికీ వినిపించి వాళ్ళని ఆనందంలో ఉంచాలని ఆయన 76 సంవత్సరాల వయసులో కూడా కూర్చోకుండా సోమరిపోతనంగా ఉండకుండా ఆయన జీవితం నుంచి మనం కష్టపడటం నేర్చుకోవాలి. కష్టపడి జీవితంలో పైకి రావడం, వచ్చిందాన్ని నిలబెట్టుకోవడం నేర్చుకోవాలి. సరేనా నాన్న? 2 నిమిషాలు ఆయన కోసం ప్రార్థించండి. ఇంకా వివరాలు కావాలంటే మీ పేరెంట్స్ అడగండి. ఓకేనా? బాయ్ చిల్డ్రన్. నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ ద blanks in lesson number 7, recreation. See, some people like to play outdoor games. Write one example for outdoor game. One example for outdoor game. First one, write in your homework notebook, children. Open your homework notebook and write in it. See, one example for outdoor game. Example for outdoor game. You write in your homework notebook and you only write the answer. We like to watch TV in dash time. ఏ టైంలో చూస్తాం? స్కూల్కి వచ్చినప్పుడు చూస్తామా? No, we like to watch TV in our free time. in our leisure time, in our leisure time. Drawing and painting are the good forms of drawing, painting are the good forms of drawing, painting are the good forms of what do they belong? They belong to recreation. They belong to recreation. Some people enjoy cooking also. I like cooking. I try different cookery items, different cooking items, different tastes like that. Children, you enter in your homework notebook and write the answers. Write the answers also in your homework notebook. Just I am writing cricket here. Write the answers. Example of outdoor game, cricket. We like to watch TV in free time. Drawing, painting belongs to recreation. Some people enjoy cooking also. Okay, children. Now, okay, see, which is not recreation? As a recreation కానిది ఏంటి? Which is not recreation? Hunting, వేటాడటం, జంతువులు వేటాడటం recreation కాదు. Which is not recreation? Hunting. Recreational activities, the activities promote creativity in the people. ఆలోచించే శక్తిని పెంచుతాయి. Creativity in the people. Write the examples for outdoor, indoor games. Write 2 examples for outdoor and indoor games. We can see antics and clowns in. Antics means funny people who will give fun to us. మనం నవ్వించే వాళ్ళని antics అంటాం. Antics and clowns in circus. Where do we see them? Circus. Next, playing games keeps us healthy. Okay, children, you enter is 5 in your homework notebook, and I gave another 5. You write this 10 and read them, children. Okay, see, not recreation, hunting, జంతువులను వేటాడటం. Activities help, activities develop creativity in us. ఆలోచించే శక్తిని పెంపొందిస్తాయి. Examples of outdoor and indoor games, you write 2 examples. Antics and clowns are in circus లో చూడొచ్చు మనం. Playing games are healthy to us. Okay, children, write this 5 in your homework notebook and write the hearts also in your homework notebook. What are the hearts, children? See, what are the hearts? See, draw a picture. Draw the box like this and draw a picture of your favorite means of recreation. Either singing, favorite means of recreation. Singing, dancing or cooking or going to circus or going to temple like that, and write 2 lines about that. Draw a picture of your favorite means of recreation and write 2 lines about that. Take an A4 sheet, children. Take an A4. See, look at the box. Draw the box like that and draw a picture here, cricket playing or singing or dancing like that. Draw the lines and write 4 lines about that. This is about the horse in this lesson. And see children, there are many means of recreation. Many means of recreation. Children, there are many means of recreation. Watching TV, watching mobile and going outside and trekking, playing games, etc. etc. There are a lot of means of recreation. Some are games, outdoor or indoor games. They help us to grow the creativity in us. Outdoor games help us to keep our body fit and healthy. Exercise, they give us exercise to us. They develop stamina in our body. ప్రతిరోజు ఆడుకునే పిల్లల కంటే ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉంటారు, బాగా పెరుగుతారు, బాగా చక్కగా బోన్స్ గట్టిగా ఉంటాయి, ఆకలి అవుతుంది. అలా కాకుండా we sit in our house and always watch TV or mobile. That is very bad to us. Overnight you should not watch TV and mobile. That will kill the nerves in your eyes and kill the nerves in your ears. That is very bad. That is very injurious to the brain also. Don't watch TV and mobile always. Those are idiotic things. Those are very harmful to your health. So play the games, sing, dance, run, jog and draw the pictures, paint, anything. These recreational activities are very helpful to you. But don't watch TV, don't watch mobile and laptop always. They kill the nerves which are useful in your brain. Then years passing onwards, you will become very slow in your activities. And brain also will be damaged. You are small kids, your brain also will be damaged. So take care of your health, children. Play, but don't watch TV and mobile always. Don't watch. Okay, just you listen the YouTube classes and leave the mobile. Give it to your parents. After that you read, write, play, cook and help your mother. Help in the household works. You are staying in your house, help in your household works. Okay children. Bye children. You enter this in your own notebook and draw the picture of your famous మీకు ఇష్టమైన పని, మీ ఆనందం కోసం మీ చేసి మీకు ఇష్టమైన పని డ్రా చేసి పిక్చర్ వేసి ఒక 3 lines రాయండి. ఓకే, bye children, bye. Take care of your health. It is rainy season. Take care of your health children. Bye.